Hello everyone, this is Melissa with Design by Ann. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I also want to welcome you to Melissa's Garden. So today we picked out a couple of herbal organic plants. We're very big fans of tea. Most of these plants are going to be to make tea and any other essential products that we currently produce. So I want to introduce you to chamomile. This is chamomile. This is the robust rosemary. This is spearmint. This is peppermint. This is lavender. And this is aloe vera, a healing plant. We're going to be using Performance Organic soil, and we're going to transplant them in these lovely Allen and Roth planters over here. So we just wanted to talk a little bit about these plants and the healing properties and use. Rosemary can be used in both food and also product, such as shea butters, oils, things of that nature. Chamomile can be used to make tea. The peppermint and the spearmint can also be used in product and also for making teas to your desire. The lavender can be made use of products, oils. Lavender, I'm not sure, is used as a tea supplement, but I've known people to have used it for that. Aloe vera is good for the skin, so that is definitely one of the plants that you may want to consider when you're producing products. It'll alleviate burns. It's good for using if you're making your own hand sanitizers as well. So I just wanted to share just a little bit about our organic garden. These are going to be grown indoors. I'm going to just pan in just a little bit closer so you can get a good look at the leaves. If you're not familiar with some plants, you can always download the app for plants. It's called the Plant app, and it will identify the plant name just by the leaf itself. So you would take a photo of the leaf and it will bring back the results of the name of that plant. So again, here's the lavender, aloe vera. Most people recognize aloe vera right away. This is the peppermint. This is spearmint. And of course our rosemary. And then chamomile. I've never seen chamomile leaves before, but they're very soft. The texture is very soft. It's a very elegant plant. I believe that you can just go ahead and steep this in a kettle and just strain it. But I'm going to try to get these a lot larger than they currently are. So we'll be able to propagate this and grow it throughout the rest of the season. So have a great day. Thanks for watching our channel.